Oh man, wow, the sun sure is bright. I mean, it's got to be the biggest and brightest star in the whole sky. And I have a theory it's the biggest and brightest star in the whole universe. I mean, look how big it is compared to those tiny stars at night. I want to test my theory to see if I'm correct. And to do that, I'm going to run an experiment. But it needs to be a little bit darker out, and I'd need an assistant. Where are you going? Leave it. Okay, Enzo, come on. Come here. Get the bucket. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Please welcome Enzo the science dog. Okay. Oh, come on, buddy. No, don't put it in your mouth.
Here's the plan. I'm going to give Enzo a flashlight to hold. He's going to start really far away from the camera. Then, I will have him walk closer to me. If the light stays small, then clearly all those stars in the night sky are just small. And if the light stays dim, then I know those stars are dim too. If the light from the flashlight gets bigger and brighter, then I know that the sun is not the biggest and brightest star, it just looks that way from Earth. In this experiment, the flashlight's light represents the light of a single star out in the night sky, and the camera represents our position on Earth.
So it's a whole lot darker out now. It's also a whole lot colder, but Enzo the science dog and I are ready to run the experiment. Originally, I was gonna have him hold the flashlight in his mouth, but over here. Let's face the, okay. Enzo, come. It's getting really annoying. Can you wait for a second? You see what I have to put up with? You are the worst assistant ever. Yeah, it didn't work out well. So I'm gonna do it myself. Right now I have the light shining at the camera from pretty far away. And if my theory is correct, as I get closer to the camera, it should stay the same size. Let's see if I'm right. You know, after looking at the footage, I think I was wrong. The sun only appears to be the brightest star because it's so much closer to Earth than all the other stars. That must be why it looks so big too, because really it's closer to Earth than all the other stars in the entire universe. I'm really glad I did this experiment, and you can do it yourself as well. Have your teacher or a trusted adult film you with a flashlight from really far away, and then walk towards the camera. And what you'll see is what I saw, that when the flashlight was far away, it looked a lot dimmer and a lot smaller, but as you get closer to the camera, the light becomes a lot brighter and a whole lot bigger. Well, Enzo, I'm getting a little cold. You want to go inside?